Offering assistance with style. Master the art of offering alternatives in English. Hello learners, and welcome to a brand new video on conversational English. Today, we are going to focus on the topic of offering alternatives. When we offer alternatives, we can often make our language sound more polite and considerate. It also gives the person we're talking to a choice, which can help them feel more comfortable. Let's explore how you can do this with phrases like, if you prefer, or, if it's more convenient. When we offer alternatives, we're giving someone else a choice about how to proceed. It shows respect for their preferences and needs. Phrases such as, if you prefer, or, if it's more convenient, are often used to offer alternatives. They're polite, respectful, and show that you're thinking about the other person's needs or wishes. For example, if you're at work and you want to offer help to a coworker, you might say, I can help you with the report now, or, if you prefer, I can do it first thing in the morning. This gives your coworker a choice and shows that you're flexible and considerate of their needs. The best way to master this skill is through practice, so let's go through some scenarios. 1. You're scheduling a meeting with a colleague. We can meet this afternoon, or, if it's more convenient, we can schedule for tomorrow morning. 2. Offering a choice of tasks to a team member. You can either work on the presentation, or, if you prefer, you can manage the budget report. 3. Suggesting lunch options to a friend. We could go for Italian, or if you'd rather, we have that new Mexican place around the corner. Remember, the key here is to offer a choice, be flexible, and show consideration for the other person's needs or preferences. Once you feel comfortable with the basic structure, you can expand your alternative offering skills with more complex sentences and polite language. Here are a few examples. 1. Providing more than 2 options. We can have our meeting either in the conference room, the coffee shop, or, if it suits you better, we can do a video call. 2. Including an alternative for time. We can start our project this week, or if it is more convenient for you, we can delay it until next week. The key is to keep your language polite and considerate, while still offering clear and valuable alternatives. And that's a wrap. With these phrases in your language toolkit, you'll be able to offer assistance and alternatives in English with confidence and style. We hope you found this helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally these phrases will come to you. So keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.